Hi, today we are going to see how to smooth skin in Photoshop. First, open your photo in Photoshop. Then, duplicate the photo by holding Ctrl and J. Then, select the upper layer and invert it by holding on Ctrl and I. It will make the photo invert. Then, change the blending mode of the photo to vivid light. Then go to filter and choose other and click on high pass. Now set the value between 12 to 20. I set it to 18. Then click on OK. Now again go to filter and go to blur and choose Gaussian blur. Then set it around 3 to 4 and I set it 3. Then click on OK. Now, holding on Alt, click on Add Layer Mask. Now, choose the brush tool or press B. Then, make sure the foreground color is white, or you can press D for selecting the foreground color as white. Now, paint over the screen that you want to smooth. You can change the flow from here and opacity of the brush from here. So this is the image after smoothing the screen, and here is the before, here is the after. So this is how you can smooth screen in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.